Now, one question, okay, which I think both of you should answer, Nidhi and Runul. How did you manage current affairs? ये बार बार क्वेश्चंस आ भी रहे हैं, वो हमारे एजेंडा में भी है. हाउ टू मैनेज करंट अफेयर्स. आप लोग कैसे पढ़ते थे? Okay, what notes you made, what resources you were using, how were you managing current affairs? Yes, please.
Sir, current affairs are best managed by newspapers. Now, I might feel like, I'm repeating, but the basics of UPSC don't change. The methods might change, but the basics don't. So again, start with your newspaper. Now, a newspaper is not to be taken lightly. It's a for me, it was a 1 to 2 hours exercise every day. If I read 2 newspapers, it was 2.5, but minimum newspaper time is 1 hour. So when you read the newspaper, you make notes out of it, because in UPSC, whatever you don't make notes of, you are planning to lose that. If you don't make notes, I would suggest don't study. Okay. Now you'll see a lot of so resources nowadays which will give you paka material. In medical, you read that you are given digested material only when you're in the hospital. Otherwise, you digest it yourself. Am I right?
Good one.
So
Yes.
start digesting stuff yourself. When you write the paper, when you're in the UPSC exam hall, 30 to 50% of your questions you will be struggling with. So you will need your power of analysis there. You will lose your power of analysis if you read paka notes, and if you don't read the original stuff. There's no, why do we read novels? Why do we read Nobel Prize books? The reason is that we want to read from the original. It's very easy, Arundhati Roy ka book ka summary pad lo, you are as good as that. No, it's not that. When you read a 2000 page, a 2000 word essay, and then you summarize it yourself, उसका निचोड़ आप खुद निकालेंगे, then you absorb the subject. I can very well write 2-3 lines and you do not absorb the subject that way. So your current affairs starts with newspaper and you do it yourself. You do not take any external help. Of course, there are advantages of notes, but your current affairs starts and ends with newspaper. There can be additions to it, but this is a necessary condition. Okay, so that's my advice. That's where current affairs start and end. Nidhi?
Yes, absolutely, very well very well expressed. Similarly, I used to do the same, and please, the word of advice is don't start cutting the newspaper, cutting and start collecting. ये पूरा गद्दी बनेगा और कचरा है. If you cannot absorb the today's knowledge today, you can never read 500 newspapers together in one particular day. जो आपने आज पढ़ लिया वो हो गया, और जो मिस हो गया वो एक्चुअली मिस हो गया. I could never go back to the papers if God forbid I have missed some paper. And I used to make notes. I don't know, how can he said 1 hour? I could never do my paper in 1 hour. Because I used to read a business paper as well, because I had economy as an optional. So I had 2 to 3 papers, and I used to make notes. So it used to be a very, very long process. But it is important. This is the way. You just cannot do any shortcut with it. Because when you read the paper, then you make the notes of it, it stays in your memory. It is there. Then you just have to revise. You have made your own notes. You know what you've written. What was the thought in your mind when you were writing that down. So that stays with you. That preparation, if today's 3 hours you give to a newspaper, that is a time well invested. That one was that. And second thing, just have a knack of PIB, जो भी सरकारी मसाला होता है, that is available to you. Do that. When I used to have my lunch, I used to read, I used to listen to Doordarshan and all those things, All India Radio. I used to listen to, so that at least it keeps me growing कि कुछ miss ना हो जाए. So something, what are the important discussions you have, जो भी All India Radio पे panelists discuss करते हैं. I had this habit of listening to it during my breakfast, lunch and dinner, so that I know what's going on, so what the panels are discussing. So that used to give a thing, what this panelist will answer. That used to give an analysis. You know, what had I been a panelist, what would I have answered for this disaster management and things like that. So these are 2-3 things. So just hang on at it and do your own preparation. It stays with you.
So I think of all the suggestions that we had today, this perhaps is something I resonate very strongly with. कि बेटा देखो, in fact, this is increasingly happening. The type of questions UPSC is asking, the type of topics UPSC is dealing with and forcing right on, they are very deep analytical questions, questions that they demand lot of in-depth understanding. देखो 10 सवाल में 2-3 तो ऐसे होंगे which are very pathetic level of questions. 1 or 2 questions will be very okay, I'll say rudimentary, very pedestrian questions. There'll be another 2-3 questions which are good questions but not really differentiating factor. ये सबको पता होगा. But there are 2-3 questions where you actually stand out in terms of what you understand and you know and what others do not know. And it is those 2 or 3 questions that actually make your career or break your career. So what both of them are suggesting is, given the type of questions UPSC asks you, you need to have very good analytical skills. You must have the ability of comprehension. अगर आप मेरा ट्विटर फीड भी देखते रहते हो, is something I keep on talking about. You need comprehension skills. You need analytical skills. One reason why people with good academic background do well is because their basics of analysis are very good. Otherwise, ऐसे कोई God gifted talent नहीं है, that they are there and they're qualifying more likely than the others. The most important thing is, can you think through a topic or not? And think through a topic तभी होता है when you read the articles on your own. The market is flooded with summaries. The market is flooded with lot of processed material. आपको कुंजियां मिल जाती हैं. I mean, I am surprised. Yojana magazine summary is available, and there are people who sell the summary of the summary also. I mean, that type of watering down of content, probably it makes very good business sense, but it is not going to help you at all. So you need to develop your reading skills, your writing skills, and very nicely said by Runul. A doctor can give you a medicine, but ultimately it is your digestive capacity which will assimilate the medicine or the food into your body. तो आप अगर process पढ़ते रह जाओगे, if you keep on reading processed material, you always will have a problem of recall, revision, and appreciation. So I think I wrote this to you. Current affairs, needs your basics to be in place. You will have to make your notes. There's no way out. You cannot rely on pre-cooked material. बेटा ये pre-cooked में शायद आपका prelims निकल जाए, but mains impossible है. You're looking at essays writing, you're looking at interviews, you're looking at ethics paper. All those topics require that you should have the capacity of thinking, capacity of analysis, capacity of developing opinions, capacity of being able to compare developments across days and across events. And like Nidhi says, that once you have your basics in place, उसके बाद क्या कर सकते हो? Read the same news across 2 or 3 sources. फिर आप रेडियो भी सुन लो, ठीक है, बट आपको लगता है कि राज्यसभा टीवी देखकर आपका करंट अफेयर्स बन जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. आपको आर्टिकल पढ़ना पड़ेगा, नोट्स बनाना पड़ेगा, make a summary, and television news, anyway, television the news है भी नहीं for that matter, maybe radio news, maybe a bit of debates on the Rajya Sabha TV, that can help you. So the rule of current affairs is that you will have to make your notes. There is no summary to notes, and notes does not always mean facts alone. Notes also mean that you'll have to write down what is the analysis of that particular article, maybe the summary along with what was the implied meaning of what was written in the article, and then keep on revising, assimilate and digest. And the time required for this can vary. Some of you can do this maybe in 1 hour. Nidhi is very clear, it took her more time. My guess, it will take more time. 2.5 hours aram se jayega aapka for proper. And then one problem, you know what people have, I mean sharing all of you here, there's lot of heartburn over sir mera current affairs khatam nahi hota. I mean that's absolutely an absurd target to set. But a current affair khatam kaise hoga? You are sitting you're sitting on the beach, the ocean in front of you, आपके हाथ में एक bucket है, आप पानी निकाल रहे हो bucket से, and you're upset कि सर ocean खत्म क्यों नहीं हो रहा? Current affairs cannot ever finish. But the point is having a sense of priority, what to read, what not to read, having a sense of time management कि time कम है, हम पढ़ें कि क्या पढ़ें, क्या छोड़ें, क्या लिखें, क्या नहीं लिखें. And once you have set okay, your objectives in terms of how you want to go about, uske baad the revision will not be as difficult. Okay, so I will not list down what all you must read. That again require another webinar or another session maybe. But the point is, current affairs requires a continuous reading, notes making, and please do not get carried away by pre-processed material. Pre-processed material is the one of the biggest reasons why many of you are unable to clear prelims. Because jahan par question ghuma deta hai, where the choices become tricky, you find that you are losing, okay, your question entirely. And listening to news is only additional to newspapers, but newspaper is your pillar. I mean that's what Runul started with. कि newspaper आपका pillar है, आपका basic है. Okay, read as much as you can. Reading a novel cannot be same as reading the reviews of the novel. Now, watching a movie is not same as reading the review of the movie. Okay, so do the hard work the difficult way and slowly, gradually build on it. Okay, I hope we have hinted something on how to prepare for current affairs.